Southeastern Louisiana University. So I had to make a song last year and we gotta do it again because we have snow, and more snow coming tomorrow. Blizzard weather, and we need classes canceled and shut down. So, I mean, we're going 30, 20, 10, negative 10 degrees coming. Cold front, blizzard, massive amounts of icy roads, wintry weather, and I drive an hour to campus. So we need to shut the school down tomorrow. Let me read before the song who is canceling schools tomorrow. Tangipahoa. Delaying 2 hours. They're going to be closed by midnight. I can tell you that. Centerville Academy, closed. Wilkinson, shut down. East Feliciana Parish Public Schools, they're delaying 2 hours, but they're going to be closed by midnight probably too. I mean, I can't say that for certain, so I don't take my word for it. Point Coupé Parish Schools, shut down. Silverman Institute in Clinton, Louisiana, they're shut down also. So we got the song coming. So, here we go. We got a blizzard coming tomorrow. We got a blizzard coming tomorrow. We got wintry weather coming tomorrow. So please shut down the school. Please cancel my class. And we got a blizzard coming tomorrow. We got wintry weather and an icy road to drive on. We got a blizzard coming tomorrow. So please cancel my class. Please cancel classes, y'all. Just drink responsible, live happy, and make someone stay better tomorrow. Cancel classes.